Welcome. Today I'm with ASUS ROG Phone 5S and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. At the first I'm going to start from the mode. So when you are in the photo mode, we can quickly tap on the screen and increase or decrease brightness level by moving this sun icon like that. Take a look. You can also adjust it manually by tapping on the screen. The same you can make in the video mode. As you can see, there it is. So right now when you're in the video mode, we can quickly increase the stabilization by tapping right here on this option, and right now the hyper steady is turned on. So right now our videos will be definitely more stable. You can also tap right here on this microphone and you can enable the white noise reduction. That's very useful when you shot the video outside and the windy days. I'm going back for the photo mode, and right now we have to enter for the settings where we can find the timer for the camera. So we can add 2, 5 or 10 seconds timer. Let's pick this one for example. And right now when you are going to take photo, it will be taken after this short delay. So it will be useful, for example, when you try to take photo on the tripod. So you want to put your phone in the one place, and after that just move around, stand in the front of the rear camera, and the photo will be taken automatically. When you open the settings one more time, we can scroll down and find volume key option. Currently is set up on the shutter, but we can switch to the zoom, for example. So I'm gonna show you, for example, on this item, I'm gonna put the phone a little bit higher. And right now when you press the volume up button, you can smoothly zoom in. As you can see, we can zoom in to the 8 times, and we can zoom out by pressing the volume down button. As you can see, it works smoothly. Of course, we can change between lenses. Here we have the ultra wide lens and the normal wide lens. And this phone we can also find the Google lens. So we have to tap right here on the right upper corner. You can accept all the permission that pops on the screen, and of course we have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network on mobile data. And right now if you are looking for any items around you, for example, I would like to know more about this Logitech mouse. Oh, sorry. So I'm gonna put it here, and what you have to do, just simply put your phone like that, just point at this mouse, and when you get this blue highlight, it means that our phone recognizes this item. So we have to tap on the shutter. Let me show you right here. And next we'll find the exact model of this mouse, and we can find the picture of this mouse from different websites. So that's useful, I think. In the more modes, we can find the macro mode. So take a look. We can hit the macro photos. With this phone, we can put close like that. The photo was taken, but I think it will be a little bit better when I turn on this flashlight and turn off the camera shutter. So take a look. Right now we catch focus right here. Maybe I'm gonna try to catch these items, and that's the macro photography in the ASUS ROG Phone 5S. And also we can find here very rare Pro video mode. In the normal phones you can find the Pro photo mode, but not the video mode. And here we can adjust also the same options like in the photo mode, like shutter speed, ISO, EV, white balance, AF. You can enable or disable white noise reduction. You can also change the recording direction, so you can go for the micro focus, 3D surround, front or rear. Also you can enable and disable stabilization, change Resolution, you can go between HD and also 8K. And I think that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.